Hey everybody, welcome to section 4, where we are going to be exploring the new features that have been introduced in C# 6. Some of these features that's going to be included in this section that we're going to be reviewing includes the new using static clause, expression bodied function members, auto property, null conditional operators, string interpolation, name of expressions, index initializers, exception filters, await and catch and finally blocks, and lastly, how extension add methods work in collection initializers. The first topic that I'd like to go over is the new using static clause. And the best way to do that is through a demonstration. So let's go ahead and launch Visual Studio and get started. Chances are you're already familiar with the keyword using to handle disposing of objects when dealing with a particular resource, or when simply importing namespaces. Well, we can now use using in conjunction with the word static to import static members of types into scope. Let me show you an example. If we jump down to line 17 in our method test_using, you'll notice that we invoke the writeLine method on the static console class. Well, with the new version of C#, what we can do is at the very top enter in using static and then reference system.console. And so now, if we scroll back down to the bottom, you'll notice that console is slightly faded out. Now, if we move over to the right, we have the math class. We could do the same here also. So if we go to the very top and add using static system.math, math is also faded out, meaning that we really don't need to explicitly specify them. So if we click on math and hit Control period, we can simply hit simplify member access and it will remove that. So essentially we could do the same thing for console. I'll just hit the delete key to remove it now. And basically now, since they're already in scope, we don't need to reference them. So it keeps your code